everybody, it's Ginny here from Fine & Country on Exmoor and welcome to Lee Farmhouse. Situated within the Exe Valley on the edge of Winsford, this beautiful home is coming on the market. So if you'd like to know more, then please follow me. The property enjoys fantastic views of its own gardens and grounds, as well as you can see from the master bedroom, the neighbouring countryside. The property is situated within 10 acres of its own gardens and grounds, as well as ample parking and stabling. Ideal for those keen equestrian enthusiasts or those seeking a rural retreat. The property offers substantial sized accommodation with 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, as well as 3 reception rooms and a beautiful open plan kitchen. So if you'd like to know more information, then please do not hesitate to contact us and we would of course be delighted to hear from you.